Hello you guys, welcome to my channel, and guess what we're gonna do today? So this is a 2015 Rav4, and as you can see the wiper is bad. So today we're gonna do some replacement. So we got a replacement right here. Let me show you. I got this thing from Amazon for about $8. Uh, if you want one, I will put the link on the video description. So here it is. So if you buy for your Rav4, remember this is the model is at 10A, okay? So 10 is for the length, and then A is the bracket right here. This is type A. So it's been this 10A, okay? So I don't care. I just picked the cheapest one. So this is about $8. Okay. So let's try to take out the wiper. So taking out the wipers is pretty easy. There's two clips right here. Put your finger on the side and pull it up. You should pull up like that. Easy, huh? So what you want to do right now is pull this up to the max, right? And then you bend this. See, you hear the sound? And then you can take it out. See that? See the little bracket right here that you're supposed to put in? You put this in. So it's supposed to align to it like this. You can see better with that. So you insert this into this. Okay? So that's it. See? Easy, huh? I do it with one hand. See, like you can see this one's broken. Everything came out. And it is no good. And if you have something, your wiper broken, make sure you replace it. Because if you don't, you might get this middle piece, the hard plastic piece. It's gonna rub against your the window on the back, the glass, and it's gonna scratch it. So if you see that your wiper is broken, make sure you replace it. And besides, this thing is under $10, so it's pretty cheap, and it saves you a lot of hassle later on. Replacing the rear glass is a lot more expensive than $10, okay? So make sure you replace. So you got the old one, the new one. Make sure you measure it and see if it's exactly the same size. Look, this one it is. So you remove this piece right here. Okay. And let's go back and install. So what you do is you line it up, as you can see. Just line that up to this piece right here. See that? You don't need to do any pressure. Just line up. See, you insert it in. As you can see, it's pretty easy. And all you need to do is snap back down. Okay. Till you hear the snap. There you go. Now it's all good. If you wiggle a little, it's not coming out. As you can see, that's mean it's good. It's good right there. As you can see. So next thing you want to do is you don't want to get your new wiper is dirty, right? So what you want to do is get your blue towel and a little spray. And trying to spray it on glass. And do a little cleaning. Okay, make sure you wipe it. Make sure it's clean. You don't want your new wiper to be dirty, and then it's gonna rub again the glass, and you might have scratch. So after you're done with that, so everything look good. So you can see everything is worked perfectly as it should. Just go ahead and close it back in, and then make sure you snap this back in. Nice, right? So everything is nice and secure as it should be. Now what you want to do is you want to test it out, right? So go ahead and spray some water in it. So you can test it out. Okay, spray a little water. Now go into your car, turn on the wiper, get the power on, right, and then turn on the wiper, right. See that? See how good that is? See, nice and clean, right? As you can see, work great. Now go ahead and go back and turn it off. Since we tested it out. Turn off. Turn off everything. That's it. You are done installation. Oh, make sure I clean everything off. Make sure it's nice and neat. Off. So everything is nice. Nice and pretty. As you can see. So that's it. Nice and perfect. So I guess you're done. Next thing you want to do is throw this back. Put this back inside the box. Shove it in because you don't need it anymore. And this is going in the trash. So that's it. Very simple and easy. That's how you replace your rear wiper for your Rav4. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys find it helpful for your first time if you never installed the rear wiper before. And looks how good it is. So that's it. I'll see you guys on the next video, alright? Okay. Alright, bye.